Reset My Life, High Priority Binder Edition. Pagod na ako sa Pecha de Peligro, so let's be intentional this 2026. Starting with the setup, dito mapupunta lahat ng non-negotiables ko every month. Unahin natin ang pinaka-importante, rent and utilities. Para kampante tayo na settle ang shelter and lights natin. Next is groceries and gas. Essential daily survival para hindi magulat sa gastos paglabas ng bahay. Ito naman ang spent on credit. Dito ko nilalagay yung payments ko for my online transactions para hindi ako nababaon sa utang. And lastly, savings. Small or big, basta we always pay ourselves first. Ready na ang aking categories. Follow for my first March cash stuffing video where we finally put the money in. See you!